Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, my stupid channel. The channel where I can say whatever I want to say, and you can't say nothing about it because did nobody ask you to be here.
Remember, bitch, you clicked on my face.
But since you're here, I got a good topic for you today. See, the coronavirus hit. And ever since it hit, we've been under this lockdown, and we've all had to wear these masks in order to protect people. In all honesty, I am not a mask person. I don't give a shit about you like that, to where you finna make me wear a mask everywhere I go and stuff like that for what? A virus that don't even, you get what I'm saying? Now, I'm not gonna say or go into anything because I'm pretty sure y'all got y'all stories to tell and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna go into it. Just best believe that I'm not a mask wearer. Okay, so I don't leave the house and put masks on my face and shit like that. And then those are not my car keys. Them are not the things that I grasp. But I'm not an asshole. Okay, so I participate where participation is needed. Okay. You say that if I come into this restaurant, I need a mask on, then I'm going to put a mask on. No point of arguing. That's your business. I got to do it in order to comply. Cool. Okay, if I jump into let's say a Uber driver's car, and the Uber driver just so happened to turn around and say, hey, you got to put a mask on, I'm going to say, okay, because that's not my car, and I got to follow the rules of the person in charge. Do you get what I'm saying? Which brings me to my topic today. 3 women versus an Uber driver and the one woman who didn't want to put a mask on. Okay? Now, I already watched the video. Okay? I'm going to just let y'all see it. And when we come back, I'm going to let you know what the hell I think about it. And if you are one of them people who just hate hearing disrespectful things, then I'm going to need you to stop this video and go watch another video. One of my videos. But if you love hearing the truth, stick around. I'm going to tell you exactly how I feel about this situation right here.
What you gonna do? What the hell? Now you about to get beat the fuck up. What's up? You don't talk to my property. You don't buy it. You don't buy it. I bought it. I work hard for it. You're not in the middle of nowhere. What's up? So, did he like this? Take us out in the middle of the fucking thing. Are you stupid? I only have to do something. I told you to get out in the gas station. You didn't.
I would have slapped the shit out of every one of them bitches in the back seat. No offense, but that's the truth. Somebody would have got fucked up. Soon as that one that reached from the back to grab my shit in the front, I would have punched the out of them. And if they would have called their family, then somebody was going to get fucked up and somebody was going to get jailed, and it could be me. But at that point, I wouldn't even care. I'd think about it while I'm sitting in jail. Do you get what I'm saying? I'll regret it later.
These hoes ain't got no manners.
I'm back. Hey, what's up? Y'all good? Okay. That's my opinion on the situation, man. Look, I think that the gentleman handled himself with more respect than them bitches did. Okay? That's it. Look, I hope you enjoyed this video. And by hoping, I mean not really. I don't, you look, man, that's y'all business. I just make the videos. You like it or you don't like it. Okay? That's as simple as that. Look, well, anyway, thank you for joining me today, man. And I hope everybody have a great day. And I hope y'all have a little bit more respect for your Uber driver. Especially if you ain't got your own car and you can't drive yourself around. Anyway, that's the video, guys. Bye.